Ok, ljudi, evo nas u Dribbled Soccer 2018 or FIFA 2018. Da, ljudi, evo nas u nogometu, znači FIFA 2018. Američki naziv, ali to je to. Da, ćemo da se učita. Pauziram pa se vratim, to se učita. I evo ljudi način. Da, dobro. Ha. Ne. Skoro David. Znači, 4 minute. Znači, 4 minute se učite, ali napokon ide. Hoćemo smanjiti zvuk. Ne treba nam internet sad.
Football as we know it has changed. Domestic leagues are gone, and now the top teams from around the world compete over 6 divisions in the Global Dream League. The revolution in the way we play the beautiful game has been met with controversy from managers, players and fans. But while opinions differ and the debate rages on, one question remains clear. Who will thrive in this new era of football?
Ne mogu vjerovati. Nisam da to uopće piše ovdje. 623.
Congratulations on becoming the owner of this fantastic club. There's huge potential here, but your first task is to...
Kapetan je ovaj Roman. A znam odred prvu utakmicu. Protiv Rose.
The home team has gone with a strong lineup here. Welcome to Dream League Soccer. First, let's run through. Use the control stick to move your player around. This is the low kick button. This is the hard kick button. Use this for shot.
Ok, krenimo meč.
Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. And with the defender now. You've lost possession. Now we'll run through the
Znam,
controls.
sa B se
Use the B
puca.
button to pressure the ball. Use the A button. Use the C button to change the active player. Let's get back. Well intercepted. Passed well. Shoots. Let's
Evo
see
mi
how
da me
close
se
that
tio.
one was to going in. The sun is out and the football is reflecting that. Shoots. Oh, that's well over. Let's take another look at that effort on goal.
Ja sam možda bolje rekao.
Oh, he has a go. What a great save by Lopez. Oh, they needed to get that one away, and they have. Well intercepted. simply no
Still.
messing about there. Clean finish. So the first goal today, great work from the player there, and I'll be happy to get more. Good ball.
Mislim da bolje bila onaj 2015. Ne ovo. Ovo je najjače što... Jako loše što smo predodili još. Mislim dobro, ali ono... Mislim 2015. je bilo puno lakše. Da je trovat i sve. Onaj poluvreme. To je to. Ništa mijenja, a? Ajde. Ja, sve promašio. A da. Dobro.
Inside, it's with the defender now. Nice work there. Striker's ball. Oh, he must score. Shoots, and it's in off the woodwork.
Dobro. Dobro. Svog to bijelo posvuda i sve. Mijenja se, dobro. Ono flosim se. Kupio je. Nisam uspio. Nabit. Mislim... Ja sam bez basim na ovo. Ajde, braćo! Ne! Nice. Ovo mi ti je ovdje. Ne! Moraš. Dobro, zadnje je napravio. Ovo je 3 minuta namerno, ne mislim da je sad trajanje još.
And he hits it. And the referee draws the match to an end.
A morao sam. Ali odmah sam naput.
Well, I think they've got the right man of the match. He put in more than 100%.
Deseti smo. Učinjeni House of Blood na ovaj epizodu. A princip da ostati like, komentar, mi se vidimo sljedeće. Uživajte i pozdrav i boč. Hvala.